Here are 5 important things to remember during a flood. Move to higher ground immediately. As you can see from this photo, water can rise very quickly. So if you're in a flood zone, get to higher ground right away. Never drive through floodwater. Just 2 feet of water can sweep you away. And it's not just cars that are at risk. Even motorcycles and trucks can be swept away in a flood. If you're outside and your hair stands on end, then run for cover. That's because it means you're about to be struck by lightning. If you're trapped in your car, then put your seatbelt on and stay in the car. If the water starts to rise, you can use the car as a life raft. Just make sure that you have some water and some snacks in there with you. And finally, if you need to cross a flooded street, look for the safest route. Ideally, you want to find a road that's elevated. You don't want to be driving on a road that's lower than the surrounding areas. If you can, avoid it, because if the water rises, you'll be in a bit of trouble.